What's happening, everyone? Got another hard reset for you. Today we are going to do the Infinix Note 40 Pro. If you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. First thing we want to do is make sure that the phone is off, and in this case it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power buttons right there. And what we want to do is hold volume up and power at the same time. And I'm going to start holding volume up first and hold power. And when the phone turns on, you can let go of power but keep holding volume up. So there's the Infinix logo, and we'll just keep holding volume up. And then you get this screen, which is also kind of like the bootloader screen. And to bypass this, you want to hold power and tap volume up and then let go relatively quick. That brings up our Android recovery options. And what we want to do is use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select, and go to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button again. Now everything's deleting, now it's done. And now we can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to power it off. But this is how we do a hard reset on a Infinix Note 40 Pro. Pretty simple on this one. Pretty cool looking phone. I haven't tested the cameras on this one yet, so I'm not sure how good the cameras are, but they look like they'd be pretty good. A little fancy over here, you know. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment, like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff. We definitely appreciate that. And we'll catch you on the next one.